Hi, I'm Alex. I'm an ecologist with Friends of the Mississippi River, and today we're out at Heritage Village Park in Inver Grove Heights. It's the site of an old rail yard that FMR has been working with the city to restore to prairie and now to oak savanna. So we're out with about 35 volunteers this morning, planting 60 bur oaks throughout the prairie.
It's a really cool opportunity to be able to see the fruits of the labor out here.
Red-headed woodpeckers like oak savanna too, and red-headed woodpeckers are in super serious decline, like 15% a year decline.
Anything we could do to be helping restore natural habitats to these areas and make them more beautiful and sustainable for years to come, that's a good thing too.
Brought my kids and we're having a blast. We're on our fourth tree right now, making a difference.